I'll try this Makoko Slim Care Pants. You can find their website at www.makoko.ph, and their TikTok name is makoko.ph, Instagram makoko_ph, Facebook account makoko.ph, Lazada makoko, and their email address makokoph@gmail.com. So ayan siya. Nakuha ko siya ng buy one take one. So Makoko Slim Care Pants na 2XL. Meron siyang 24 pieces, and I got free 24 pieces of Makoko Slim Care Pants diapers for my Travis. And also I got Makoko Comfort Fit Pants na 2XL din. So 22 pieces siya. Dalawang pack na ganun. And I also wanna try their Makoko Air Tissue. Let us see kung okay naman siya. It seems okay naman kasi magaganda naman yung mga reviews. So let's find out. I'll tell you soon if goods naman siya. Kasi I have bale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs of it, and yung kanilang air tissue kineso. So yun, samahan niyo ako sa journey ko sa paggamit. Hilig sa word na journey, bala ka chante. So yun lang naman, wala nang iba, wala na akong masabi. Ang ganda lang ng daily bread ko kanina. Sa version na Bible, ang sabi doon, when I am afraid, I put my trust in you, sabi sa Psalms 56:3. So napakaganda. Yan lang, bye!